Are you looking to make money online but don't know where to start? In this video, we will provide you with essential tips and strategies for beginners. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or create a full-time online business, these tips will help you get started on the right path. The first tip is to choose a profitable niche. Find a topic or industry that you are passionate about and that has potential for monetization. Research the market demand and competition to ensure there is a viable opportunity to make money in your chosen niche. Next, it's important to build an online presence. Create a professional website or blog that showcases your expertise and attracts your target audience. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content and engage with your audience. Building a strong online presence will help you establish credibility and attract potential customers or clients. Now, let's explore different monetization methods. There are various ways to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering online services, or creating and selling online courses. Research and choose the methods that align with your niche and skills. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for online success. Learn how to optimize your website and content for search engines to drive organic traffic. Use relevant keywords, create high-quality content, and build quality backlinks to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. To maximize your online earning potential, it's important to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore different opportunities within your niche and consider multiple income streams, such as advertising, sponsorships, or creating your own products. Lastly, track and analyze your performance. Monitor your website's analytics, track conversions, and measure the success of your marketing efforts. Use data-driven insights to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies for better results. To conclude, making money online requires dedication, patience, and the right strategies. By following these essential tips and strategies for beginners, you can start your online journey with confidence and increase your chances of success. Start implementing these tips today and unlock your earning potential.